Oklahoma Joe 2.0 Bronco. We are going to do a little thermometer test with the analog stock puck that comes in there. I got two probes on either side, both with digital readings. They're both reading 80 degrees right now, just sitting there on the grate. The other one's goes through right there on that side, so I kept it on the edge. We're gonna fire her up and check the temps. Then in part 2 series of this video, yes, that's right, part 2, we're going to compare it after I install this new S1 DJ Hips temperature gauge. Hey guys, so it's been about 15 minutes since I put everything together. Got the basket in. I might have got the coals a little kitty wampus, so the hot side might be a little off. I'm sorry I didn't realize to do them all evenly, but we are showing approximately 215 degrees on the analog. We've got 320 degrees on this one, which I think is the hot side. I think I dumped more hot coals on the on this side. And over here we got 260 degrees, 263 degrees on there. And like I said, I loaded it up at about 15 minutes ago. So yeah, 215 on the analog, 322 over here, which is a big swing from right there to right there on the probes inside the grill. So, and 264. This may need to warm up a little bit. Ha, I just realized that's a joke. But we'll see. So, yeah. Okay, 15 minutes later. Total of 30 minutes. I just threw some chicken breasts on just because I didn't want to just sit here and burn coals for nothing. So, buck. All right, we got 292. I did rotate the basket just a quarter turn clockwise, just because. They look fine to me. I don't know. So this probe again, so you guys know, is on the left. This one's on the right. This one's in the middle. All about the same. Just under the grate, two just down the grate. So that one's 267, 288, and we got, what's that say? 225. So half hour in, 225 on the analog, 267 on the digital, 293 on the digital. All right, open stack. Intake's about 2, just under 2 on the dial. So yeah, another 15 minutes in for a total of 45 minutes fired up the Bronco 2.0 Oklahoma Joe. All right. What have we here? 260, 265. What do we got over here? 329. What do we got over here? 278. Interesting. 278 on the right, 330 on the left, and 260, 265, maybe, on the analog. So, yeah. Another 15 minutes has passed. It has been 1 hour. 1 hour since I last was with you. All I did was turn the chicken breasts. Open the lid, close the lid. That was 15 minutes ago. Now we got 350 degrees on the analog gauge. 293 on the right side. 317 on the left side. Every cook I've done on this thing is on my YouTube page. So however many cooks that is, that's all I've done on this with this setup. Exact setup you see here. So, again, 350, 317 on the left, 292 on the right. Another 15 minutes has passed, so we're at 1 hour and 15 minutes. I just turned the intake down a bit because the analog gauge is showing 375 degrees. Holy moly! And 304 degrees on the right, 330 degrees on the left. Okay, well, I'm going to check my chicken. And we'll report back on the old temps. Almost another 15 minutes. We're looking at an hour and 26 minutes. Ish. We are reading almost 350 on the analog gauge. 344 here. Oh my goodness, we're almost close. 300 over here. Okay, on the Oklahoma Joe Bronco 2.0. Yeah, well, I guess that should wrap it up for part 1 of the video. Oh, did you want to see my chicken breast? Chicken breast on the Oklahoma Joe Bronco temperature test. Ugh. Make sure you watch out for this part 2 of the video where I do the same test with the S1 DJ Hips digital thermometer. Peace out. Hey, just for kicks and giggles, I opened the intake, full stack, open. Max power, baby. Let's check it out. 475 degrees. 441 degrees. And 404 degrees. Interesting. Max power. One more check before we eat. Almost 470 degrees on the analog. 470. 471. 424. New 2.0 Oklahoma Joe Bronco.